Constituency Vice President YTF Charilam Constituency Kaisapaya being Hik being Lobby Songno, Christian Primary Bagi, Diamond Hostel, Tripura People Foundation, the second month of Borona, Subha with Tamu, and Subha with Hambai. This Hare Resident comes immediately for the part.
Belai kena hambai marugo puleno ang belai kena hambai maram zungo sini bubagra no tai boni logi tongnai sini belai kena hambai maram zunga sini borom ganang MDC Umashankar Debbarma no tai boni logi sini MLA Subodh Debbarma no borom ni sai tungbo no sini bubagra MDC MLA sai tungbo no ang tini sini Tripura People Foundation ni director tai sini Tripura People Foundation ni tai joto orni volunteers rok bai ang kerengui ang tini o jaga o Bangalore an bai ministry ben bagi khaijak pikya abon bagi ang sanam sungo tai parle hambai nam sungo sini bubagra sini MDC sir tai sini Umashankar sir tai sini Tripura People Bangalore sini Tripura People Foundation ni director sini sini HR sini Karna Jamatia tai sini Bangalore Tripura People Foundation director sini Sir Durjay Debbarma ang pipeline hambai namchung hambai